alone?
Huh?
Was you going to show alone?
Well, yeah, why?
I'd go with you.
I ain't taking you out in public.
Well, that ain't out in public.
The hell it ain't.
Oh, who's going to see you in this kind of weather out at a movie?
My luck, everybody'd see me.
No, we'd take my
I got a customer.
I'll hold.
Well, he's getting his own, I hope.
We could take my car.
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Oh, nobody would notice you, Bill. Not with my car.
No.
Hmm?
No.
I'd like to go see a good movie.
Yeah, go ahead.
I haven't been to a movie for 7 years. You know?
Go without me.
Oh, Bill. I thought
No, ma'am, we are not dating or anything.
I thought you was going to come out over the weekend at least. Saturday or Sunday.
I intended to, and in fact, I intended to come last night after I left my sister's.
I waited last night, too.
Don't ever wait. Don't ever wait. I'm going to come, I'll call you.
I waited Saturday night. I waited Sunday night. I thought at least you'd give me a buzz.
Yeah.
You could at least
I
call.
was going to call last night when I left my sister, but then I knew you'd be bugging me. Come over now, come over, and I couldn't. I left her too late, and I want to get home with my kids.
I wouldn't if you'd say.
Yes, you would. You
No.
had a phone for an hour.
Oh,
So
Bill.
I figured I'd go home and forget it.
That was nice of you. You knew I
No,
was
but I
thinking.
can't help it.
You knew I was thinking about you, didn't you?
It's the way it's got to be.
I know. But you knew I was thinking about you, didn't you?
Nope.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yeah. Well, you sound pretty good, anyhow. I got to get all my painting inside done too, my bathroom and everything. But I'm going to wait another month before I get started.
Now I'm trying to get all done before she comes back. So
When's she coming back?
the last letter she wrote, she mentioned the 18th, right around that.
Of what?
Next month. Of what? What the hell you think?
I was going to say February, because today's the 24th.
Yeah.
Gee, and I've only seen you twice, Bill.
Twice too much.
No, it isn't. You know it. You know that.
What?
No.
Well, you go out and eat anyway. What's the difference?
Right.
Well, so you can come over there and I'll fix you breakfast.
Yeah, there ain't no habit hanging around there yet.
You ain't going
Too many connections now with you and me.
to, Bill.
You get carried away.
Oh, bullshit. I don't know where I'm carried away. Can I come by tonight?
No.
Or do you want me to come down?
I don't care. Don't pin it on me. It's up to you. Nothing to say about it.
When are you going to call your doctor back again?
Gotta leave, Bertie.
Well, you're working yourself to death anyway.
Yeah.
That's right. So you need a little bit of a rest.
There ain't no rest over there.
But it's a relaxing rest. Work.
It is?
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to try it sometime.
Come on.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Honest,
Sure.
Bill.
Absolutely.
You'll like it.
I promise?
Mm-hmm. That's a real promise.
I'll try it.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
I'll wait for you.
You wait.
Bill,
Yeah,
don't talk like that.
I am.
Will you come?
Sure. Promise me anything, give him our piece.
No.
Our piece.
I want a piece, not our face.
That what you want?
Uh-huh.
That all this trouble's for?
Uh-huh.
I'll be damned.
Will you really?
Yeah.
Around noon?
I don't know when I get out of here.
All right. I'll be here.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to wait for you to come.
Yeah.
All right.
It may take you a long time to come.
Bill,
Hmm?
what do you mean long time?
To come.
No. I'll make sure.
Make it short?
Yeah. If you want it short.
Anyway.
Any way you want.
You want it. You want it once.
I want it. I don't care.
It's your idea. Yeah, like I said, it depends how I get out of here. It's not so much the eating, it's the screwing I'm interested in.
I will.
Huh?
How about a little bit of both?
All right.
All right.
You eat. Okay?
No, I tell you what. I'll give you a little bit of eating and a lot of screw-ons.
Okay.
All right?
I'll go that route.
All right.
But,
Oh, Bill.
yeah, a little more for sure.
You better get in there.
I know I've been just hanging on. I feel like.
It's no good. We'll tell you.
Yeah.
And you're still smoking, aren't you?
Yep.
This thing will give up, aren't you? Oh, Bill. Well, get in at least to see the doctor, huh?
Yeah.
Is he in on Wednesdays?
I don't know.
Because most doctors are off on Wednesdays.
Don't you miss me?
Nope.
Not even a little bit? Oh, Bill, don't say that.
I am saying it. I've been saying it for years.
It has been years, hasn't it? Seems like such a long time. Yeah, I guess it has. Almost 3 years, Bill. No? Wake up.
What?
I can't hear you. You sound like you're sleeping.
I am.
You are? It hasn't been such a bad 3 years, has it? Oh, Bill. Hasn't really, has it?
Huh?
It hasn't really, has it?
Yes.
Well, I mean, for a lot of things. But there have been some compensations, haven't there? Just a few? Oh, gee, Bill, you make me feel terrible. Well, I do in one way. Just one way I do. But another way, I think it was nice. Since it had to be that way. And that's the only way it could be. No? Bill, you better slow down. Honey, you better slow down, I'm going to tell you. Yeah, And how long you been saying that, too? No?
Yep.
Yep. Slow down, Bill. Slow down and live, huh?
And tribute to our beloved band leader, who's been with us for 6 years, that in all this time has not just been a band leader, but a beloved friend as well. I hope that you will soon be well.